Hi, Jenny here. I guess I should go shopping at Walmart more often. I think I've mentioned before that Kit Kat has a exclusive partnership with Walmart with some of their flavors and all that. Last time I stopped at Walmart, I happened to find these on the shelf. So I didn't find like a normal size, 4-pack type of thing, but these are the minis. So this is Blueberry Muffin. So of course I had to pick some up so that we can try it. So here we go. Just little mini ones. I'm going to open it on camera and see if I'm going to get the scent that I usually do with the others. Oh yeah, that smells like blueberry. Try not to break it this time too. So, mini. It's got the words Kit Kat on there like they do. So when I turn it from the outside, it's like a beige color, so I'm assuming it's like a vanilla type of a chocolate on there, but it's more beige than white. Regular wafer. I don't see any blue specks or anything there, but very strong flavor. I like that. Tastes just like a blueberry muffin. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. With some of the other flavors that we tasted, some of them did not taste like the flavor they said they would be, and some of them have been a really good flavor. Some of them have been more strong scent than flavor. This is good. It's a good combination of both. A good scent and a good flavor. I like it. So if you like blueberry and blueberry muffins, see these Kit Kats in the store, go pick yourself up some. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.